Good morning, Seacrest. We are live on Facebook. I am Trisha O'Connor. I'm the communications manager here, and we are celebrating faculty excellence this week for Annual Fund. Now, we love our teachers here at Seacrest. We think we have the best faculty in Southwest Florida, but why just say that when we can show you how they operate within the classroom? So we're going to spend some time this week going live on Facebook, taking you into classrooms like this one to show you what our teachers are doing with our students and how they're helping them. So where are we right now? We are actually in the middle school science lab, one of them, but this is the 5th grade class. They're in here doing their prep for practicum. The practicum's coming up on Friday. So they are learning about mass, volume, density, and displacement. Come on, let's go check out one of the tables. So instead of the teacher, Mrs. Vicio, teaching the students on the board what mass, volume, density is and talking about displacement, she's actually encouraging her students to find objects and study the weight and the mass of them and figure out the displacement on their own. They're using scales, they have beakers, they have cylinders, and these students have their own workbooks and they're doing their own independent work while Mrs. Vicio helps them and assists them. It's not really a transactional relationship with our faculty to our students. The teachers help them and facilitate them on this student-directed learning. So guys, can you tell us what you're doing over here?
We're trying to find the mass of rocks so we can get the density.
And what are you finding? What types of notes are you taking?
We're taking like how much it takes, like if it's 10 grams and then 13, so we have to write down how much it weighs.
And what do you get from this example? Like, do you learn more by actually doing this on your own, or do you like it better if a teacher just tells you this is what mass is?
Well, it's more fun and I learn more when we can do it on
Wait, this is a show?
Excellent. Thank you so much.
2.86.
We're going to travel over here, and we're going to watch Mrs. Vicio in action as she helps one of her students figure out the meters.
And then we want to put
86.5
centimeters, right?
Okay.
So because this is all about, we're trying to have the idea of what these lengths look like in our mind, and we're making estimates, and then because you're not going to say 3 meters.
Yeah.
I think this is 3 meters. That would not be a good estimate, right? But understanding the length of that and what it would look like in space, you're recognizing the height of the room is close to 3 meters.
Yeah,
And
it's
so then you put that down.
Okay.
So now you want to try to look around the room and see, what might be 47 centimeters? And then test that quick on the fly hypothesis, so to speak.
Thank you.
Okay?
Is this centimeters?
So, Mrs. Vicio, can we just pull you over for a second?
Hi!
Say hi, Facebook. Hi, Seacrest community. Thanks for joining us. We really appreciate it. So one of the things we really love about that exchange is that you're actually talking with your student about the why and how they can learn. What is it that you really love? Why do you love teaching at Seacrest?
It gives you the opportunity to teach the kids how you know they need to be taught, and giving you the flexibility to meet them where they are as well. So in our small group here, how we've separated the 5th grade into our small learning groups to get that personalized experience just really allows us to hone in on everybody's unique needs and their desire for certain topics that really excite them. So.
And how does letting them discover this process on their own, doing their own measurements, making their own mistakes, backtracking and learning how to correct that, how does that help facilitate their overall learning?
It gives them more ownership over the whole process, which is part of our mission statement, right? And so allowing them to discover that information through that process just allows them to really internalize it and really know it so much better than if I'm at the board, telling them X, Y, and Z. They're able to discover, oh, now I get it, and get to see that light bulb go off in their mind.
Light bulb moments, that's what we're all about here at Seacrest. Thank you to Mrs. Vicio. Thank you, 5th grade. Again, we're celebrating faculty excellence this week. This is all part of our annual fund drive for 2018. Thank you, Seacrest, for going all in with us. We'll visit some more classrooms later on this week and maybe even today. Stay tuned.